In the last link price prediction, I gave you this trade right here. I said we're going short and we shorted until this week right here. So around 2% profit. So the question is, what is going to happen now and what will the market do? Well, this video is not financial advice. Let's start with the daily chart. The first thing we want to do is draw out a few potential lines that we crossed, and try to establish what the trend is. So there are a few levels that I can see instantly on the chart that we respected right here and broke out of, kind of retested right here. So we're definitely looking more bullish than bearish. Also, I can see that we have a good amount of buying volume versus selling volume and a good amount of positions opening. But before that, I just want to quickly talk about MEXC because right now they're giving away a bunch of stuff. And if you want to learn more, I'll have links in the description down below. How to buy crypto via Google Pay and Apple Pay on MEXC. It's actually very, very simple. This is a step-by-step guide on how to buy it. On Apple, you gotta do is click deposit, then select quick buy and sell, like here. Then select the amount in euros for my in my case, and then you get the USDT. You pay with card. It's as simple as that. Here you go. 2.5k, 2.5k USDT. That's it. It's very, very simple. Have the guide in the description down below. If you want to start trading on MEXC, you will also be supporting the channel if you use my links in the description down below. So what do we know about Link, especially right here? We are getting these big volume bars, and when we go to the 30-minute, you can see we just wicked out a bunch of positions right here, and a good entry for me would be trying to buy right here and going for a move up. So we wait for a dump here, like so. Why can't I click the proper one? And then we move up, or we just enter here for a longer term trade. So this is basically how I'll be trading Link today. If you have questions on Link, let me know in the comment section down below. I make these videos daily, like 20 videos per day with 20 price predictions. Currently up 200 grand, 274 grand on meme coins. I'll have a link for my meme coin course, which is priced super cheap, and my signals chat if you want to see more in the link in the description down below. Love you with more on my heart. See you next video.